Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Learning with Abi and Umi. We will be reading together from Dr. Fi Abdur Rahim Arabic textbook, Durus Lughah al-Arabiyyah, Volume 1. I will read each sentence in this book aloud and then translate it into English. In addition to reading and translating, I will also briefly explain the basic rules of Arabic. You will get to do more than translate sentences and study the basic rules of Arabic. You will also learn the meaning of each word in every sentence. The goal is to increase your Arabic vocabulary. Imagine, if you keep reading this book until the end, you will be amazed at how much your Arabic vocabulary grows. You will also learn many basic rules of Arabic. It all starts with reading with me. Let's start from the book's cover and first page of the first lesson. Remember, everything that is a lot starts from a little. Let's take our time reading this book together. We will learn to translate it, understand its basic rules, and expand our vocabulary. Let's read and translate together. دروس اللغة العربية Arabic language lessons لغير الناطقين بها for non-native speakers. الدكتور في عبد الرحيم دكتور في عبد الرحيم. You can see his website here. الجزء الأول Volume 1. A word-by-word translation. Durusun, lessons. Lughatun, language. Arabiyyah, Arabic. Durusun is plural form. The singular is darsun, lesson. Li for ghayrun, non. Naatiquna, speakers. It is plural form. The singular form is naatiqun, speaker. Biha, be with ha refers to lughah or language. So biha means with Arabic language. The meaning is for persons who are non-Arabic speakers. الجزء الأول Volume 1. جزء part. أول first. جزء in the context of books. جزء refers to a volume. الدرس الأول the first lesson. هذا بيت this is a house. هذا مسجد this is a mosque. هذا باب this is a door. هذا كتاب this is a book. هذا قلم this is a pen. هذا مفتاح this is a key. هذا مكتب this is a desk. هذا سرير this is a bed. هذا كرسي this is a chair. From this text, we learn two basic rules. هذا this. هذا is اسم إشارة للمفرد المذكر القريب العاقل وغير العاقل. هذا is demonstrative pronoun for masculine singular, nearby, human and non-human noun. The second rule is there is an agreement between هذا and the noun following it in terms of gender and number. هذا is demonstrative pronoun for masculine singular, and baitun is masculine singular noun. Now, let's start. See the word-by-word translation. Darsun, lesson. Awwalun, first. Ismu isharatin, demonstrative pronoun. Mufrad, singular. Mudhakkar, masculine. Qaribun, near or close. Aqilun, rational or intelligent being. Ghairul aqil, irrational, non-intelligent being or things, animal, and non-human. Recap. We have learned Hadha. Hadha is demonstrative pronoun for masculine singular nearby, and we have learned a masculine singular noun. They are Baitun, a house, Masjidun, a mosque, Babun, a door, Kitabun, a book, Qalamun, a pen, Miftahun, a key, Maktabun, a desk, Sarirun, a bed, Kursiyun, a chair. That's all for today. Keep coming to this channel to continue the lesson. If you have any questions, write it in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum.